everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm here to tell you guys about the best products that you can invest in. So Nykaa pe sale chal rahi hai and SAB, you guys wanted me to share the top drugstore products. So yeah, if you're interested in this video and you wanted to know which products are the best and you should invest in it, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So हम serial wise चलेंगे. So first comes the primer. So for primer, I have these two recommendations. So if you want a primer for your pores, you can definitely try this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. I have talked about this on my channel so many times. I love this primer. This one retails for around about 700 to 800 rupees. But this is gonna last for a very long time. It's a very good primer for those who have pores and it just smoothens out your face and makes your makeup last a very long time. And the second product is this. This is the Wet n Wild Luminous Face Primer. This has a very nice dewy effect on it. It's a very beautiful dewy primer. So if your budget is somewhat 600 rupees, you can definitely get this primer. Wet n Wild is always on discount, so you can easily get your hands on this product for 300 to 400 rupees. So yeah, these are the two primers. So foundation, there's a lot of products on sale on Nykaa, so I'm going to talk about a lot of products. So the first and my most loved foundation is this. This is the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation. This much is only left, so you can clearly see how much I'm obsessed with it. This one retails for 850 rupees. A beautiful product for a dry skin because it gives you the dewy base. My shade is F8, so if you want a really long-lasting dewy foundation, which also gives you medium coverage, this one is hands down one of the best foundation I've ever tried. So the second foundation is something that you all must be having at your home. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So if you do not have this foundation, go buy it. It's not something which is only meant for oily skin. It's basically a product that's meant for all skin type. I have pretty much more of a dry skin, but this foundation sits so beautifully on my skin. And the best part is अब पहले इसमें pump नहीं था, but अब ये pump के साथ भी आ रही है. So in all, it's a really beautiful foundation. My shade is 128 Warm Nude. The third foundation and another favorite of mine is this. This is a Milani 2-in-1 Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. This one in the shade Warm Beige, which is slightly bit dark for me. But if I have to talk about this foundation, it's a very beautiful foundation which gives you medium to full coverage. It's pretty long lasting. This one stays on your face for an entire day and it is suitable for all skin types. So in all, this is a really nice foundation. Do invest in it. This one is for like 1400 rupees, but you can always get this on discount. So yeah, this is the third foundation. The next and one of the best foundation is this. This is the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This one in the shade 105 and this one retails for 750 rupees. I think the packaging got changed, but this foundation is hands down one of the best foundation. It's beautifully on my skin because it's a demi matte finish, not like a proper matte finish. So it's a very beautiful foundation. Provides a medium to buildable coverage. I won't say full, but medium to buildable coverage. In all, it's a very beautiful foundation. So if you want a foundation which is also pretty long lasting, transfer proof sort of, this one is the one. It's one is the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Cover Foundation. This one retails for around about 475 rupees, but you can easily get it for 300 rupees on Nykaa. So this foundation is a very beautiful foundation. This gives you very good coverage. It's like a medium to full coverage. This is also pretty long lasting. This doesn't oxidize much, which is the best thing about this foundation. Also, this is perfect for oily skin. So if you have a dry skin, this will gonna suit you, but you need to hydrate your skin well before applying this foundation. So yeah, this is the sixth foundation. These were the foundation. Next comes concealer. So for concealer, I have three recommendations. The first one is this. This is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade 03. So if you were looking for an everyday concealer and your budget is somewhat 200 rupees, get this concealer. Clearly see how much I've used it. बहुत थोड़ा सा बचा है. So in all, this provides you medium coverage. It doesn't creases. Sits beautifully on your foundation, and in all, this is a really nice product. So yeah, this is the first concealer. So the second concealer is something that you will not get on Nykaa, but if you get anywhere, go buy it. This is the Kryolan Supra. If you have like a more of a dry skin, you can definitely buy this concealer. This is such a creamy product. It is also pretty full coverage. To show you, the coverage is crazy. Like the thoda sa nikala hai, but the coverage is way too good. You can see how much I've used this product. So if you get Kryolan products, This one is one of the best product from Krylon. Definitely buy it. Is the Krylon Supra in Ivory. And my recent obsession is this concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade medium beige, which is more of a peachish undertone. So if you have like a warm undertone, this one is perfect for you. Like if you are of my complexion, but my skin is neutral, so it's a bit peachish, but it still looks very beautiful. It's a full coverage for concealer, stays for a very long time. In all, it's a very nice product. This one retails for 800 rupees. So if you get it on discount, go buy it. Don't forget to check this out. It comes to setting your face, and to be honest, last year I didn't use my loose powder much. Instead, I've used the Fit Me pressed and polished powder a lot. You can see I've hit the pan. This one in the shade 220 warm beige, and this is such a beautiful product. This has a great coverage. It sets your makeup, doesn't make your makeup budge or move. In all, this is a really nice product. This one retails for 400 rupees or 450 rupees. So if you get this product on discount, go buy it. Don't think twice. And also it comes with a mirror, which is a great thing. Next come contouring, blush and highlighting. So if you don't want to buy separate palette, you can definitely buy the Sugar palette. I broke the mirror, but this palette is really too good. It comes with the contour, come bronzer shade, a highlighter and a blush. Everything is way too pigmented and very beautiful. So if you're looking for a good palette which contains all the three products, you can try the Sugar face palette. This one retails for 799 rupees, but it's worth each penny. So yeah, this is the first product. Another product that I like a lot is the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. I've talked about this product so many times on my channel. This is such a nice product. It also is very beautiful on skin. It's not that harsh. It's a very beautiful formula. So in all, if you're looking for a good bronzer, you can definitely check out the L'Oreal Glam Bronze. Okay, for blushes, I have two blushes that I use the most these days. First is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush On in Mellow Wine. You guys know about this blush. I use this blush a lot of time on my channel, and this is also something which I recommend to you guys a lot. So yeah, this is the first blush. Another blush which I recently got is this. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Blush. This is a very beautiful blush. This is the one which I'm wearing right now. It's a really beautiful product. This one retails for 550 rupees, but you can easily get this product on discount for 300 or 350 rupees. So yeah, these are the two blushes which I really love, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. So if you ask me about highlighter, there are a lot of highlighters available in the market, but to be honest, if I'm doing any makeup and if I want a highlighter, I only end up using this one. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petal. This is such a beautiful, stunning highlighter. You can clearly see how pigmented this is. This is super blinding. It's a very beautiful highlighter. This one is only for 499 rupees, but you can easily get it for 315 to 350 rupees. If you get this product on discount, now don't think twice, just get it. It's a very beautiful product. So now comes the brows and your eye makeup. So for brows, you can definitely buy the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is such a nice eyebrow product. You guys know I only use this product. Such a nice eyebrow powder. Other than this product, if you are looking for a pencil sort of a product, you can definitely try the Miss Clay Eyebrow Pencil or the Wet n Wild Retractable Pencil. Both of the pencils are too good. Even the NYX Micro Pencil is really too good for your brows. Next come mascara. If you're looking for good mascaras, this is the product. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. This is one of the best mascara I've ever tried. This just lengthens your lashes, provides volume. Very nice product. So if you see this product on sale, get it. This one retails for 799 rupees. So on discount, ये आपको 500 to 600 का पड़ेगा, which is not expensive considering the quality. Another mascara that I really love is the Mars mascara. You will not get this on Nykaa, but if you check out Mars Cosmetics site, you will get this mascara. This is again a very beautiful mascara. Both of these mascaras are really too good. They provide length, volume. In all, they both are really too good. Try these mascara. You will thank me later. Okay, so if you're looking for eyeshadow palettes, I highly suggest you to buy the Nika K eyeshadow palette, and specifically this one. This is a beautiful warm tone palette. It comes with burnt orange, brown, yellow and some good shimmery foil shadows. This one retails for 499 rupees, but आपको 250 to 300 का easily मिल जाएगा. And the quality of these shadows are amazing, like amazing. you can clearly see. Another palette that I love using are these. These are the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Palette. This comes in different shades and different names. I have like 2 or 3 of them, but this is a beautiful palette. This is also a dupe of the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna show you the pigmentation. Everything about this palette is amazing. This one retails for 850 rupees, but if you check out Myntra, this palette is for like half the price. I have this palette in another shade, and this is in the shade Reloaded Neutrals too, and this is the product which I've used today to create this eye look. I love these palettes. These are such a beautiful palette. I don't see people talking about these much, so I really wanted to incorporate these in this video. Last palette that I want to recommend is something that you will not get on Nykaa, but you can get it on Cuffs and Lashes on Instagram. This is a changeable fantasy palette, and I've talked about this product so many times I don't want to blabber much about it. It's a beautiful product. It comes with all the shade that you'd ever need to create any eye look. So in all, a very beautiful product if you need colorful eyeshadows. Another palette that I love the most is this palette. ये आपने इतनी बार देख लोगे कि अब मुझे बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, because I don't think I need to tell you. This is such a beautiful product. The outer cover is so bad. This one is pure love for me. This is the Imagic Professional Cosmetic Palette. This is the 16 color eyeshadow palette. These are the 4 palettes I believe are the best palettes that I own. If you want a good eyeliner and if your budget is high, you can definitely invest in the Inglot eyeliner. This is the gel liner. This is a really beautiful pigmented eyeliner. It also stays for a very long time. Another eyeliner that I suggest if your budget is low, it's the Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. It's the recent launch by Lakme, but it's a very beautiful eyeliner. The tip is also really too fine. In all, this is a very beautiful eyeliner. For kajal, you can try the Rika kajals. This one is really good. This is a white kajal. Simply, I'm obsessed with this kajal pencil because it's so pigmented, so white, and it's also very long lasting. You can get this product easily from Flickr Cosmetics site. I will mention that in the description box. Another kajal that I love using is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is again pretty long lasting. This is something which I recently bought, so I'm using this and I'm quite enjoying this kajal. Other product that you should have in your kit is a lash curler. So this is the Vega Lash Curler. This is a really nice curler. I really love using it. So if you're shopping this on the sale, get a lash curler as well, and you can definitely check out the Vega one. So if you're someone who's not into eyeshadows and you want something for your eyes, get these liquid shadows. These are so beautiful, slow blinding. This one is the Swiss Beauty one, and look how pigmented this shadow is. This is in the shade Champagne. Another liquid shadow that I love using is the Nicka K Radiant Liquid Shadow. This is more of a pinkish one, and this is the one I've applied on my lids for today. Beautiful formula, long lasting, and also affordable. Last, it's time for lips. I'm not going to incorporate a lot of lipsticks in this video. मैंने पहले भी बहुत सारी lipsticks के बारे में बात की है, so I'm going to mention my videos in the description box. You can check out those videos for more lipsticks options. The first product, a lip liner. This is from Bella Voste. This is in the shade Sweet Nectar, and this is the lip liner. This is such a beautiful pinkish color. This one is also very affordable. This one retails for 175 rupees, I believe. In all, it's a very beautiful formula. And the one lip liner that I swear by is this. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Pencil in Chestnut, and this is the lip liner. This is a beautiful brownish lip liner. Super comfortable. It's not those drawing pencils. बहुत comfortable है and बहुत अच्छा product है. Another product for your lips is this. This is not just for your lips, it's for your lips and cheek. This is the Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint. This one retails for 500 rupees, and to be honest, I just broke the bottle, but मैंने इसे Fevikwik से जोड़ लिया. I'm जुगाड़ू. And this is the tint. Very beautiful sort of a tint. You can see. If you are someone who doesn't like weird sticks, you can use this for an everyday basis. Just apply it on your cheeks, on your lips, and you're good to go. It gives you a very beautiful, fresh, blushed look. Another product is the Sugar Mini Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Dawn Fawn. If you don't want to invest in the big bottles and you want small lipsticks, you can definitely get your hands on this. I really love this color. Look how stunning this color is. This is such a stunning brownish color. It stays on your lip for a pretty long time, doesn't transfer. So in all, it's a really beautiful product from Sugar. You can definitely try other shades from this range. This is a Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick. It's a very, very beautiful formula. One lipstick that I swear by these days is a brown lipstick. You guys know I'm crazy about brown lipsticks. So this is the product. This is the Milani Matte Lip Crayon, and this is the shade So Obsessed, and clearly I'm so obsessed with this lip color. This is the shade. Look how stunning brown color is it. It's a cool tone one, but it's not that cool brown tone. So this is gonna complement all skin tone. Once you apply it on your lips, it's super comfortable and it's also very creamy. But within few minutes, this will turn matte, and this will gonna last for a very long time, easily for like 4 to 5 hours. So I had to incorporate a mauvish lipstick because I am crazy when it comes to mauve color. So this is the lipstick. This is the Nicka K True Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose. You guys know I love the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose shade, and this is something close to that lip shade, but it's more deep, I would say. Such a beautiful, comfortable lipstick. It's a bit drying, so you need to moisturize your lips well before applying it. But once it sets on your lips, this doesn't move, this doesn't transfer. This also lasts for a very long time. In all, it's a very beautiful liquid lipstick. The last product that I want to talk in this video is not basically a lipstick, it's a lip gloss. This is a Sugar Time to Shine lip gloss, and this is such a beautiful lip gloss. Just have a look. You can see how juicy, glossy my lips look. This is the gloss. The shade 02. I absolutely love this one. This is such a stunning lip gloss. Definitely check this one. This is a really, really nice product. And the last lipstick and my current favorite red lipstick is this is the Flicker Cosmetic Matte with the Matte Liquid Lipstick, and just let me tell you the shade. Okay, this is the lip shade. Look how fiery this red color is. I love this product. This one retails for 399 rupees, I believe, and you can get this product from Flicker's site. Hands down, such a beautiful, beautiful formula. So yeah, these were the products that I will recommend you guys to check out this sale. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.